Right, you asked what were in my toolbox. Needs a good tidying out. So, in my top tray, very dusty. In the bottom tray, very dusty. See, that's how much my mate cleans. So, I've got a lot of washers, different sorts. I've got my cutters, got my speed fit cutters, some blades, a load more cutters. These are the most important. Then, a load of chisels, a load of screws. That's important, that's important.
That's it.
Some more chisels that shouldn't even be in there, no one's so wide. That, really good level. This, an Allen key set. Another cutter, some dumpies, battery with a torch. That's magnetic. Goes back in like that. File, snips. That's the other vital tool. They're vital for when we're doing cutting some pipes off. But to be honest, half of this crap shouldn't even be in my tools. That should see in a bish bash bosh MJC tile bit, 6mm, top of the range. Look at that. Look at that. It's like a ship. You know what I mean? Get yourself on Facebook and buy some bish bash bosh, 6mm tile bits. Drill through anything. And then all this stuff will go back in my box and go in that bin there. But when you're a plumber, you just think you're going to need everything, so you just keep it. Do you know what I mean? Because as soon as I throw something away, there'll be one vital little screw or washer or valve or something that I'll need, and I won't have it. So that's why we keep everything. Everything just goes in the box. But now I've cleaned it out, it'll start fresh again. Couple of weeks, it'll be like that again. Just life. That's it.